games like never before and enhance your gaming experience to the next level, well then you should definitely try this gamepad right here. Hi everyone, I'm Vinita and today we will be looking at the Redgear Pro Series wireless gamepad upgraded version with 2 dongles. The wireless gamepad by Redgear. The color variation that I have over here is black. Now this gamepad is lightweight. If I hold it, it feels very comfortable and fits my hands properly. Now talking about the controls, I can clearly see that it has backlit illuminated keys, A, B, X, Y keys, so you can play in dark without facing any confusion. Now it has a left stick and a right stick. It has a turbo button, a back button, a home button and a start button. Over here this is the directional pad, and at the bottom you can see that there are LED light indicators. On the top you will find the left bumper, the right bumper, left trigger and the right trigger. Now if I use all these buttons, if I press these buttons, then they all feel smooth and very comfortable, so you can definitely play for longer hours without facing any discomfort or without your fingers getting irritated. Now you can see that this is a micro USB charging port to charge this gamepad. We are provided with this micro USB charging cable by the company, so we can use this cable to charge this gamepad like this. Now it's a wireless gamepad, so there will be no hassle of wires and connection. We are provided with not one but 2 dongles here. This dongle goes into your system and connects this gamepad to your system, so it's very easy to use. So yes, overall the body and design of the wireless gamepad by Redgear looks impressive. Moving towards the features and performance of this wireless gamepad by Redgear. First of all, there's no hassle of any kind of installation. You just have to plug, play and enjoy. This gamepad will provide you with an excellent wireless gaming experience because it has a range of up to 10 meters and a 2.4 GHz wireless technology. Now this gamepad also has a built-in rechargeable battery, and with one full charge you can enjoy a battery life of up to 10 hours, and by charging it just for 30 minutes you can enjoy a battery life for 2 hours, which is very impressive. It has a dual high intensity motors which allows a realistic gaming experience. And then the best feature about this gamepad is it comes with a turbo mode which allows you to configure your weapons in games and fire in bursts. So now go and kill your enemies inside.
Presenting Redgear Pro Series Wireless Gamepad. The gamepad comes in 5 combinations of 3 style variants of wired, dual dongle wireless and dual dongle wireless, combined with 4 pattern variants of gamepad plus gaming mousepad speed type, gamepad plus wired gamepad plug, gamepad and gamepad plus gaming mousepad control type. This Redgear gamepad features 2.4 GHz wireless technology that supports up to 10 meters range. This wireless gamepad is the ideal choice for those looking to enjoy your favorite games without the hassle of cables and wires. The gamepad comes with a plug-and-play feature which does not require any driver to be installed before gaming. The latest games can run with this feature. The gamepad is ergonomically designed and comes with backlit illuminated keys that makes gaming highly comfortable and aesthetic. It comes equipped with a total of 11 digital keys, including 2 analog triggers and 2 analog sticks for an easy and powerful gaming experience. The gamepad has an integrated dual-intensity motor which allows a realistic gaming experience. You can experience the crashes, bumps and shots with a realistic and intense vibration. The new turbo mode in the gamepad allows you to configure your weapons to shoot in bursts. It gives you a tactile advantage in shooting games. The built-in 550 mAh lithium-ion battery in this gamepad allows you to game like a pro for up to 10 hours on a single charge. A single charge for up to 30 minutes can provide uninterrupted gameplay for up to 2 hours. The Gamepad is X-input and direct input compatible and comes with a dedicated switch for shifting between the modes. It supports platforms like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1 and Windows 10. This product comes with a standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.